guys, so today I want to show you something I got for my gymnasium certificate. So I first show you the thing, it's the smallest thing. So this is the small thing. If you do not know what this is, it's a simple dimple. I cannot move this so good because I have the camera in the hand. It's a simple dimple spinner. It's really cool because, like, you can see it's not moving so fast there, but it is, so. And it's good to pop. And now, I wanted to show you the second thing. So I'm really happy that I got this dimple digit, because here they have numbers, and here they have it in English. And on the other side, and this one is from Fat Brain Toys. And the other side has can play two different games that one game I made. I don't know if a person already had that, but that's how I did it. So you can you do like this, have your eyes closed and choose any one of these sides. Then you have to count the balls. And then you have to say the number. But I like it that it feels like this and it's louder side. And it has these in Spanish. So I'll try to read them to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the dimple digit. Why is it pure? Okay. So this is all I got, and I'm really happy about it. And then I got that's what I got from my mom, and I got an infinity cube from Osman for my dad. I really like that one as well, but I'll show you. So this is the fidget cube. I got it in blue. I really like how it was packed. So one this side. So this is really cool as well, and yeah, I really like the packaging. So this is what I got for my certificate for my gymnasium. And this is my favorite, and I cannot tell which one I like of them the most, but I guess this is my favorite. If I had to choose, this is my favorite. My second favorite, my least favorite. I really like this one. It's just not that good as these, but it's not that I don't like them. Bye. Please subscribe and like this video.